Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show how I am turning one of these wire shelvings into a cabinet. In this cabinet, I will be storing a few of my power tools. I keep the chargers here, and as you can see, my table saw and my bandsaw, a few other hand tools. Those are that's the interior of the panels that I already cut on the side, and I will be doing some more painting for the outside. So on the inside it's going to be yellow, and on the outside it's going to be panels black. Here. Although the interior has been painted, so I'm gonna paint now the exterior of it, and all the support panels will be done then. Okay, I have this plexiglass here to mock up the doors that I'm going to be building there. On the side is a pegboard, as you can see. I have magnetic board, another pegboard on the side. I have not assigned anything to it yet. Some of the hand tools go in here. When I lift this up and I peer inside, the light comes on. This also works on solar. In fact, that is its main power source, solar energy. So it lights up inside. As you can see, it's on a timer. So when I lift this up, I use these to lock it in place open if I need to keep that open. So this is what I have so far. Of all the systems that I researched on the internet, this is the closest that I found that I would have liked to have. But at the price range that these cabinets go for, I don't think that this is such a good idea. I like the fact that it is metal, and it incorporates some very useful elements, such as the fact that it rolls. It has a flat space, and it has overhead cabinets. However, I don't think that I want to spend $2,000 a cabinet when I can build my own. So that was the main idea. Once I started looking around and I saw the really cheap stuff, there's no telling what this is. I mean, you could be paying very easily. You could be paying something like $2,000 for MDF, and I'm not very convinced about the construction of it. Looking at the grating, looking at the cross members, even looking at the bolts, it looks like is that back plane there. It seems to me like that back plane is like thinner than an eighth, and it's not going to provide. It doesn't have the proper support here. So I looked around. I found out the wiring cabinets that I like to get. They don't have the sides. I looked up where to find the sides for the wire cabinets, and they made out of plastic or corrugated basically just paper. So I decided to do the 3/4 inch supports to it. I think that this has turned out to be very very nice. This camera's wide angle lens is something to be desired. So here we go. This is almost to the point of being 100% complete. This is the plexiglass doors that I made. You have there my bandsaw and my table saw. They fit there just fine. And then we have the power tools that I have are very nicely placed in. And as you notice, you see that yellow in the back? That's 3/4 inch that adds rigidity to these guys. I have a pegboard that I did with standoffs. There you go. I made those brass standoffs, so now I can store on the sides some of the tools. This is a magnetic whiteboard, and I'm very happy with that. I also finished another cabinet, and you will see. I will showcase these cabinets completely in the upcoming video that I have with the new shop tour. So stay tuned for that. That should be coming in next week. Thank you for watching.